Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. You are watching Designer Square by Ohom. I am Asmi Vijayavargiya and in today's video we will dig into how interior design trends emerge from different continents and areas. We will be discussing all of the 7 continents including Antarctica, which is a twist you should wait around to see. Let's start with Europe. Europe continues to embrace this earthy neutral home decor, creating serene and calming spaces with beige, taupe, and cream tones. The tones create a European minimalist interior aesthetic which is gaining popularity as it combines functionality with elegance. Textured walls and natural materials like wood and stone is common in this aesthetic, and they also use tones like terracotta and muted green aesthetics which add warmth and a subtle connection to nature. But out of all the European trends, the modern Scandinavian interior design remains a favorite with its clean lines, light woods, and cozy textiles. Layering textiles through linen throws and ceramic accents, it adds sophistication to the minimalist spaces, and statement lighting fixtures also dominates the play. But this style is loved because it makes design both practical and artistic for all. So now let's talk about Asia. Across Asia, vibrant and luxurious aesthetics are flourishing, especially as Asia is a big continent with different themes, yet bold jewel toned interior decor like emerald green, sapphire blue, or ruby red, they evoke elegance, especially in urban settings. In contrast, there is also Asian pastel aesthetic decor home design which softens spaces, and it could include colors like blush pink, mint green, and even powder blue. There are metallic accents in gold and brass used, which reflects the trend of metallic accents in luxury interiors. But although considering as Asia is a big continent, still a country like Japan has big influence, and its influence remains strong with Japanese Zen and contemporary interiors, which provide with this simplicity and organic look, which has organic shapes, natural elements. It has low profile furniture and shoji screens which add authenticity while also maintains this modern appeal, which is loved by people all around the world, and hence it has the biggest influence. Now, if we take the continent Africa into consideration and think of all of the African interior design, so it celebrates its rich heritage through vibrant patterns and bold color schemes. As you can also see in their cultural celebrations and their clothes, it is also the same for their home interior design. So, vibrant African home decor ideas incorporate woven textiles, hand carved wood, and sustainable materials. Rich blue and yellow interior inspiration draws from its continent's natural landscapes, blending deep indigo tones with sunlit yellows. Afrocentric modern home design merges traditional motifs with contemporary furniture, which offers both comfort and cultural pride to the people. There are also ethnic patterns in interior styling. You can include tribal prints, geometric shapes, and beadwork can be seen in rugs, wall art, and upholstery, which makes a bold yet harmonious statement, and overall merges this whole African trend into one and brings out the sense of cultural significance into the home designs. Now let's move to the continent of North America. North America's design landscape is defined by diverse styles that merge urban sophistication with a rural charm. Minimalist home decor trends to especially of 2025, they emphasize clean lines and uncluttered spaces. They focus on quality over quantity. There is colors like navy blue and grey interior aesthetics which bring a contemporary twist to the neutral palettes. They provide a refined yet cozy ambience. So the blend of modern farmhouse, it meets urban chic and it combines rusted textures with sleek industrial elements and also metal lights, fixtures and reclaimed wood. It and leather furnishings all together, they create this lived-in spaces and it provide a very inviting atmosphere. Additionally, the Scandinavian minimalist interiors are widely popular and with their focus on functional beauty, natural light and soft muted tones that exclude warmth, it is a natural favorite for the people of that continent. Now that we've talked about North America, it's only fair that we move to South America now. The South America design is characterized by vibrant colors and rich cultural influences. So warm terracotta and ochre interiors, they bring this earthy tones inspired by traditional clay architecture. So there is a big role of handcrafted stuff like clay architecture, handcrafted textiles, and they also include indigenous patterns which add into this artisanal touch to their home decor. There is tropical modernism which is also gaining popularity into that place. It incorporates this lush greenery, wooden furniture, and large windows to connect indoor spaces to the outdoor and to the nature itself. There is Bohemian Latin American decor which blends to bold hues and vintage furniture and eclectic patterns which creates this lively and soulful interiors. There are textured walls and woven accents which further highlight the region's artisanal heritage. So the whole South America continent is proud of its artisanal heritage and is not ashamed to show it through its home decor and create this vibrant, inviting atmosphere all together inside of their houses. Now let's move forward and talk about Australia. Australian interior are a reflection of the country's coastal landscape. Coastal chic interiors use sandy neutrals, soft blues and natural textures like rattan and linen. There is modern Australian minimalism which emphasizes open spaces and sustainable materials. It often incorporates recycled timber and stone. Australia also has this nature inspired earthy tones like sage green, rust orange, which bring warmth and a sense of calm. There is indoor outdoor living spaces, which are a key trend in the continent, with large sliding doors and alfresco areas extending living rooms to outdoor spaces. So overall, the Australian continent has this very natural, breezy vibe which they include in their homes and having this connection to the outdoors very deeply, and they take it into deep mind to include nature inside the house and also connect the house to the outside. We've talked about the continents now which are habitated by humans, but now I don't think we should let Antarctica go out of notice. So, if Antarctica was in case a continent which was inhabited by humans, how would we decorate it and how would the interior design trends emerge from it? So, maybe it would have this minimalistic and futuristic designs because it's a cold place. So glacial white and cool blue interiors which mimics its glaciers and the sea water there. So there's snow covered places and there would be sustainable Arctic aesthetic which would be gaining aesthetic, and they would also promote eco-friendly materials like recycled glass and reclaimed wood, and there would be futuristic minimalism, like using sleek surfaces, metallic accent, and also a lot of smart technology there. There would be definitely large glass windows so you can just look out and maybe see the penguins waddle and see those polar theme spaces, which would emphasize the natural lighting also and have this very beautiful view of the outside. So there could also be pops of colors inside of the house which would go totally in contrast with the landscape outside. So this could be a way how the interior trends would emerge in Antarctica and all over the continents as a whole. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you can stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.